Hello students and welcome to the Gizmos lab on greenhouse effect. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to run the second half of the lab and use the arrow tool. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our purple bar is set to 0, which it still should be from the first half. And then we're going to try to get the blue bar to medium. I found that it doesn't quite fit at the halfway mark, so just get it as close as you can. Once you've got those two bars set, we're going to click the play button and we're going to let this go for about 3 days, which is about right here. And don't stress if you don't land exactly on day 3. And I'm going to pause it now. Okay, then I'm going to pull up the toolbar and I'm going to see that there is an arrow feature. If you just single click on it, it will give you a note. Drag the arrow icon from the tools palette to activate it. So I'm going to follow those directions. I'm going to drag the arrow, and there's my arrow, and I want to mark the peak or top temperature, and it's okay, the arrow doesn't have to be perfectly vertical. If it's diagonal, that's okay. I just want to make sure that you know where the peak temperature is, and if we follow that peak over, it's coming in somewhere a little below 70, because if that's 80 and that's 60 and that's 70, we're at about 68 degrees. And it actually, does it tell us? Yes, it does tell us that is that green curve right there corresponds with this green box in the key. That is T for temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, next half of the lab, we're going to go ahead and increase this to 50%. There we go. And then I'm going to run this for 3 more days. And again, don't stress if you don't land exactly on day 6. The important thing is that you don't reset after each part. I want you to just let it keep going. There we are. So we're going to pull up that tools feature again. We're going to drag another arrow and it automatically makes it another color. And there is our peak. And again, it doesn't matter if the particular direction of the arrow. The important part is that you see that the temperature has now increased to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. And as the directions say, we're now going to slide this on over to 100%. And I think now you know what to do. So I'm going to pause here and let you finish off the lab. Good luck. And as always, contact me if you have any questions or need any type of help. All right, shine on, students. Shine on.